Welcome to Stackable, your all-in-one solution to building stunning websites with a WordPress block editor. In this video, we'll explore Stackable's enhanced color picker, which provides you with more flexibility and control over your color choices. So what's new in Stackable's enhanced color picker? The first addition to the enhanced color picker is the opacity control. You can now adjust the transparency of your selected colors directly within the color picker. As you can see, you can easily adjust the opacity level using the slider, allowing for precise control over how transparent or opaque your color selections are. Now let's move on to the new gradient color picker. This exciting feature opens up a world of possibilities for your design. When you select the gradient option, the gradient color picker opens up a selection of preset color gradients for your convenience. To create complex gradient effects, you can add multiple color stops at different points along the gradient. Click the plus icon that appears when you hover over the color gradient. Then adjust the color strength by clicking or dragging the circle icon. You can choose between two gradient types, linear or radial. Select linear if you want the gradient to transition in a straight line from one view to another. You can control the angle of your gradient by dragging the dot inside the circle, or typing a value into the angle field. Choose radial if you want the gradient to radiate outwards from a central point. You can also access your theme's gradient colors directly within the enhanced color picker to easily maintain consistency with your theme. Stackable's enhanced color picker, released in version 3.12.0, brings a whole new level of control and creativity to your color choices. We hope you enjoy using these new features in Stackable. Thanks for watching! If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Stackable updates, tips, and tutorials. You can also join our Facebook community or visit our website for more information. We'll link them down below.